The Nintendo 3DS is a legendary dual-screen console featuring a glasses-free 3D display and deep support for physical game libraries. While original and renewed, it offers a distinct experience for collectors today. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let us explore what this legacy device can actually handle. The 3DS excels in library depth, though its online capabilities are now largely a thing of the past. The combined catalog of 3DS and legacy DS games provides an enormous variety of software that keeps this system relevant today. The classic folding design protects your screens while you travel, making it one of the most portable consoles Nintendo ever made. The glasses-free stereoscopic effect is a unique visual experience, although some users may find it tiring during extended gameplay sessions. Since official online communication and digital storefronts have closed, the system is now strictly limited to offline solo play. The massive library of both DS and 3DS games provides incredible value, even if the online features have officially retired. The long-term collecting value of the library often outweighs the hardware's age. The extensive selection of physical cartridges ensures this console maintains strong long-term value for anyone interested in classic gaming history. While this base model is fully functional, it lacks the performance and control refinements found in the later systems. Using standard SDHC cards makes managing your storage much easier than dealing with the proprietary solutions seen in other systems. Modern mobile devices are more powerful, yet they fail to replicate the dedicated dual-screen experience provided by this specific console. The ability to play a massive catalog of physical games makes this a worthwhile investment for serious collectors despite the aging hardware. Renewed hardware requires a careful look at physical condition and mechanical integrity. Because some listings are merely clean used consoles rather than fully restored, the actual condition of your unit may vary. You should carefully inspect the hinges, shell, and screen alignment, as these are the first points of failure on aging consoles. The circle pad and shoulder switches are sensitive to long-term wear and deserve a thorough functional test upon arrival. As official support has ceased, you are essentially on your own regarding repairs and troubleshooting for these older machines. Renewed units are often just lightly cleaned, so it is vital to inspect your device for wear and mechanical degradation immediately. This system remains a premier choice for those building a physical Nintendo collection. While you must accept the lack of online play and the potential for wear on older components, the sheer depth of the game library is unmatched. If you find a well-maintained, clean unit, it is a rewarding handheld experience that still holds up in the modern era.